All right, good morning. Today is insulation, and I think we're going to put cedar beadboard on the ceiling. This stuff from Home Depot. Walls inside are all stripped down, ready to insulate. So I'm just going to cut insulation and put it in between these studs. Put the plywood back on, and then put white beadboard on the walls and cedar on the ceiling. So let's get to it. Okay, here's progress. Should get this done today. All the beadboard. And just wanted to show you, this is my nail gun. I'm actually running it off of my truck compressor. Let's show that to you. It's an ARB single cylinder compressor, and it works fine. Pressurizes the hose, and as long as you let it catch up every couple shots, it works great. I was going to go buy a compressor, but I thought I'd try this first. I think it looks pretty good though. There you go. Do the ceiling tomorrow. Get this finished today. I left, put the plywood back on after insulating. And then I just used some liquid nail. And yeah, shot some brads. And it works great. All right, off to the next step. Okay, good morning. Next day. Today is ceiling. As you can see, the beadboard on the walls is done. I'd say it turned out pretty good. I think I'm gonna like this because it's gonna make it look a lot brighter. So with the ceiling, what I did is I'm putting cedar tongue and groove plank on the ceiling. Nice lightweight stuff. So I took 2x2s and screwed them to the aluminum framing, and then put my insulation in all the way to the front. That way I have something to shoot the brads into. Only spot I didn't do was this back part where the spring is. I'm gonna box around that, kind of like my last trailer. Kind of hide it, insulate there and hide it. So let's cut the cedar planking, get that up. Just wanted to show you what I did before I covered it. Then I put my wires in for my fan and just ran it over to the sidewall here because I'm going to leave this sidewall open. I'm going to use the original trim like I did on my first trailer because it makes a nice pathway for your wires and stuff. Makes it easy. Ran a new wire down to the light switch because you have to disconnect that original wire because it's hooked to the truck. So I just disconnect it and then, yeah, tape it off. Call it good. Okay, I'll show you the final product when I'm done here. All right, here's the finished product. I think it looks pretty nice. Nice offset, so it's not all white. It'll darken up a little bit once I put some clear over it. They must spray it with something because it smells like redwood instead of cedar, which is odd. But there you go. Nice cedar ceiling. And here's the finished roof. Put the gland in over in that far corner. Stay tuned for the interior build. The bed, refrigerator, battery, solar hookup, all that good stuff.